Do you love strawberries? Is that so yummy? Do you like strawberries? Do you want more strawberries? More? More, please? More, please.
He was born to an African American mother and an Irish American.
More, please. Very good. More. Go ahead, you can eat it. Yum, 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 yum. You have to chew it up. Yum, 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 yum. Is that tasty? Yeah. Are you looking for more? Are you looking? Okay. Look, they're right over here. Here's the strawberries. Do you want more, please? More, please. More, please. Yummy. Go ahead and eat it.